everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a minute since the last time I taped, but there's just been so much going on with me. Mainly a bad wave of debilitating migraines. But anyway, I'm having one of my better days now. So I was anxious to do this today and spend a little bit of time with you. So again, if you're looking for videos about hooded eyes, about mature skin, the occasional unboxing or unbagging when it comes to clothing or fashion or makeup beauty subscriptions, then you've come to the right place. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. We are unbagging Ipsy's July bag. I got this yesterday. Well, that's when I picked it up yesterday at the mailbox. Not sure. But lately they've been quite good with being a little bit more consistent as far as timing. So I am so excited to open this with you. And let's get started. As usual, I don't know. I say this all the time, and I probably sound like a broken record, but I have no clue what's inside here. And of course, I always forget what I've ordered. Now, this one feels a little bit heavy. Oh, ho, ho, ho. This is nice. Okay, so cute little bag with the little starfish here, a little like greenish bag. Feels empty inside, but I guess I can go ahead and show you what was in the bag on the outside. So we'll save this for last. Okay, so let's hope that they have the little product information card this time. Soak it all in. July 2022, the sun, the shimmer, the SPF. This month, savor every moment, whether it's an impromptu pool dip or self-care spa day, and leave those to-dos till tomorrow. Alrighty, so yes, the information is here. So let's get started. So here's the first one, the new company, Tropical Microbiome Barrier Culture Cleanser. So here's a cleanser trial size, and this is the deluxe sample. Full size is worth $42, and it says simplify your cleansing routine with this ultra gentle yet highly effective face wash. It's soap free and sulfate free, so it won't strip your skin, removes dirt, pollution, and makeup, and helps fortify your skin barrier with a blend of prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. So, okay, a cleanser, very nice. Next. Okay, what is this? Luna Magic, not sure what this is. Lipstick in Park Avenue medium. Inspired by the glamour of Park Avenue in New York City, this nude lipstick will make you feel like $1 billion. Not a million, $1 billion. The matte formula lasts for hours, yet somehow still feels moisturizing and silky, and the peachy nude shade is totally timeless. So this is the deluxe sample. The full-size version is worth $8. Okay, so not so bad. Let's open this up here and see what this peachy nude looks like. Wow. It looks a little darker, but let's swatch this. Ooh, wow. So it's kind of like a bronzy, brownie nude. So I'm excited to, I have lipstick on now, so I don't want to try it, but up against my lips, what do you think? Anxious to try this. Excellent. Okay, so we've got a makeup and a skincare. Okay, so next we've got this pencil. Prestige Cosmetics Waterproof Automatic Eyeliner in Flannel Gray. This is awesome. Which, it says, with one swift flick of the wrist, you can line your eyes in this smudge-proof, ultra-pigmented liner. It goes on smooth and stays on all day for a photo-worthy eyeliner look. This is a full size. It's worth $8. Now let's swatch this. Okay, so here it is. Very nice. We're going to swatch this as well. Let's see how it glides on. Oh, it's like a steel gray. This is gorgeous. I'm looking forward to trying this. Wow. Really happy about this one. Okay. Next, we've got this Deer Beach, and this is Deer Beach Solstice Lip and Cheek Cream Tint in Bay Street. In Deep Berry, this multi-purpose creamy pigmented tint delivers the perfect amount of flush to lips and cheeks for a sun-kissed wash of color. This is the deluxe sample. The full-size version is worth $25. Layer the product on your lips and cheeks for a more intense color payoff. So let's take a look now. Yeah, this is looks pretty dark and intense. Wow. Let's see. Wow. This is pretty. This is pretty. Wow. Okay, let's just do the other side. With one swoop, I was able to do both cheeks. Wow. Let's try it on the lips. Very nice. Oh wow, this is awesome. I'm really excited about this bag. Okay, and now we're down to the last product, which is the Palette Trend Beauty Mosaic Eyeshadow Palette. This is the full-size version, worth $12.50. It says name a shade in Roy G. Biv, which is, I guess, the rainbow. And this 15-pan eyeshadow palette has got you covered. It features 10 vibrant eyeshadow colors as well as 5 neutrals to help you mix and match to your heart's desire. Mist your brush, this is the tip, mist your brush with setting spray before applying these shadows for maximum color payoff. And that is always amazing. When you do that, it just intensifies the color. So let's take a look at these shades. Oop. Not bad. There's some colors there that I can work with. A lot of neutrals. I really like that. There's 2 shimmers, 3 shimmers. No, this is pretty nice. Not sure what the color payoff is. Let's just try a few here. I'm going to try this blue one. Try this blue one and this dark blue one just to... Wow, it feels like chalk.
Okay, let's try a shimmer. And we'll go ahead and try the lavender one, which is called Fame.
So I'm not sure if you see that. Pretty nice. Okay, so that's about it. This is a pretty nice bag this month. It was pretty much all makeup with the exception of the cleanser. But hey, we can always use cleansers, and I love these trial sizes because when you travel, it's great to just pop into your bag. So that's great. I am really happy. So that's it. That was July's month. I hope you enjoyed your bag. If you have any questions about these bags, please feel free to drop them down below and I will answer your questions. Hope your summer is going great. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending a few minutes with me. And as usual, stay safe wherever you are. Thanks and catch you next time.